Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace the lights inside this back housing. So you've got three replaceable lights. This is your brake and a clearance light. This is the blinker and this is the reverse light. This light here and this light here are an LED, and so if these go bad then you would be replacing the whole housing itself. There are no lights in this one, and so you only replace this if you need to, if it's cracked and broken and you want that to be replaced. Otherwise, we've got the reverse light, or not the reverse, the license plate light to go over how you'd replace that, and so we'll go over those. So to start with, to be able to replace any of these lights, we need to remove this housing or pull this housing away. So we're going to have to pop the trunk. So inside the trunk right here is a push pin that you pop out and then pull out of the hole, and then you're able to pull this cover down and you'll gain access to two nuts here that are a size number 10 that need to be removed. To be able to replace the lights. Okay, so with those removed, now we're going to go back out where you remove the assembly to be able to get the lights. Now you just grip the whole thing and pull. Just apply some pressure and pull back, straight back. And pull, and then you can twist it around to be able to replace the lights. Remember, this is a brake light, clearance light, blinker, and the reverse light bulb. So if you turn it around like this, maybe just free this electric here, right? Gives us some space. So the reverse light bulb is this one right here. Twist it a quarter turn to the left, pull the bulb out, and then you just pull this bulb out. This bulb here is a 921, and so you just get a new 921. Place it back in, and you press it until it'll snap in there and hold in there. And now put it back in here and turn it a quarter turn to the right, and that's how you replace your reverse light bulb on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.